Hey there, food fans. Today we're switching gears and cruising down south to the heart of Georgia. We're ditching the deep fryers and diving headfirst into a whole different kind of deliciousness, handmade crafts. Buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to unearth some hidden gems that'll make you want to slap your mama. But in a good way, of course. First stop, the Crafty Basket Boutique, a place that's about as charming as a pig in a tutu. Nestled in the heart of the South, this quaint little shop is a treasure trove of handcrafted wonders. The moment you step inside, you're greeted by the warm, earthy scent of woven reeds and the sight of baskets in every shape and size imaginable. Trust me, folks, these ain't your grandma's ordinary picnic baskets. These are modern marvels, designed with both style and functionality in mind. Imagine a picnic by the lake with one of these beauties, turning heads and sparking conversations. These are handcrafted masterpieces, woven with love by local artisans who've been keeping this tradition alive for generations. Each artisan brings their own unique touch, passed down through the family, making every basket a one-of-a-kind piece of art. We're talking intricate designs, sturdy materials, and each one telling a story. You can almost hear the whispers of the past in the weave of the reeds. Each twist and turn a testament to the skill and dedication of the weaver. You got your classic sweetgrass baskets, perfect for holding all your farmer's market goodies. These baskets are not just functional, they're a piece of history, with roots tracing back to African traditions brought over centuries ago. Then you got your Willow baskets, strong enough to carry a whole mess of catfish after a day on the lake. These baskets are built to last, with a durability that makes them perfect for outdoor adventures and rugged use. And if you're feeling fancy, they got these pine needle baskets so intricate, they could be displayed in a museum. The detail in these baskets is simply astounding, with patterns and designs that showcase the incredible skill of the artisans. The real stars are folks like Miss Emma, a legend with hands that move faster than a hummingbird in a sugar rush. Watching her work is like witnessing a dance, each movement precise and purposeful, creating beauty with every twist of the reed. And young Billy, who's carrying on the family tradition with infectious energy and a passion for keeping the craft alive. He's not afraid to experiment with new designs, blending tradition with innovation to create something truly special. So next time you're looking for a unique gift, skip the big box stores and head on down to the Crafty Basket Boutique. Here, you'll find baskets that are more than just containers. They're heirlooms in the making, each one crafted with care and attention to detail. You'll walk away with a smile on your face and a basket full of Southern charm. Whether it's for a picnic, a gift, or just a beautiful piece to display in your home, these baskets are sure to bring a touch of warmth and history into your life. So come on down, meet the artisans, and take home a piece of Southern heritage that you'll cherish for years to come. Next up, Peachy Keen Pottery. This place is bursting with color, creativity, and enough personality to make a possum blush. The mastermind behind all this clay-slinging magic? Miss Delilah, a force of nature with a sprinkle of Southern charm. Her pottery is like nothing you've ever seen. Whimsical mugs, vibrant plates, and fairy tale-like bowls. Each piece has a tale to tell, a memory, a little piece of Miss Delilah's heart and soul baked right in. And the best part, Peachy Keen ain't just about buying pottery, it's about becoming part of the family. Miss Delilah hosts pottery workshops where folks of all ages can come in, get their hands dirty, and unleash their inner artist. She's got a knack for bringing people together, creating a space where everyone feels welcome. So whether you're a seasoned collector or just looking for a unique souvenir, swing by Peachy Keen Pottery. You'll be greeted with open arms, a whole lot of Southern hospitality, and maybe even a slice of Miss Delilah's famous pecan pie. Just don't tell her I told you about the pie. It's a secret. Hold on to your grits, folks, because we're about to enter the Rustic Brush, a woodworker's paradise. This ain't just any old workshop. It's a place where raw timber is transformed into masterpieces, where every piece of wood tells a story, and where the scent of fresh sawdust fills the air like a sweet perfume. We're talking handcrafted furniture, custom-made home decor, and one-of-a-kind pieces that'll make you want to slap your knee and holler, "Yeehaw!" Imagine walking into a room and seeing a coffee table that looks like it was plucked straight out of a fairy tale, or a bookshelf that seems to whisper secrets of the forest. The man behind this wonderland is Jeb, a fellow with hands that could make a lumberjack weep with envy. Jeb's been working with wood since he was knee-high to a grasshopper, and his passion for the craft is as deep as the rings of an ancient oak. Jeb's got this way with wood, folks. He sees the potential in every knot, every grain, every imperfection. To him, a piece of wood isn't just a piece of wood. It's a canvas waiting to be brought to life. He can look at a rough, gnarled log and see a beautiful, intricate sculpture hidden within. He doesn't just build furniture, he creates stories. Each piece he crafts has a history, a soul. It's like he's breathing life into the wood, giving it a second chance to shine. You can almost hear the whispers of the trees in every chair, table, and cabinet he makes. He'll tell you about the time he salvaged a 100-year-old oak tree and turned it into a grand dining room table. That table isn't just a place to eat, it's a piece of history, a testament to the tree's long life and the stories it could tell if it could talk. But here's the real kicker, folks. Jeb shares his passion with the world. He believes that the joy of woodworking shouldn't be kept to himself. He wants everyone to experience the magic of turning a simple piece of wood into something extraordinary. He hosts woodworking workshops where folks like you and me can learn the tricks of the trade and create something we can be proud of. These workshops aren't just about learning to use tools, they're about connecting with the wood, understanding its quirks, and discovering the artist within. So whether you're looking for a statement piece for your home or just want to experience the magic of wood transformed into art, mosey on over to the Rustic Brush. It's a place where creativity flows as freely as the sawdust, and where every visitor leaves with a newfound appreciation for the beauty of wood. You'll be greeted with the warm smell of sawdust, the sound of hammers ringing, and Jeb's infectious laugh. It's a place where the past and present collide, where tradition meets innovation, and where every piece of wood is given a chance to tell its story. So come on down, and let the magic of the Rustic Brush inspire you. Get ready to pamper yourself silly, because our next stop is Sweet Georgia Sugar, a haven for all things natural, organic, and good for your soul and your skin. Forget those fancy pants department store lotions and potions. Sweet Georgia Sugar is all about harnessing the power of Mother Nature to create skincare products that are so pure, so fresh, you'll want to eat them straight out of the jar. But maybe don't do that. The mastermind behind this beauty haven is Willow, with a heart of gold and a green thumb that could make a cactus bloom. We're talking handmade soaps, rich lotions, and lip balms that'll leave your kisser softer than a baby's bottom. Willow sources all her ingredients locally, even growing some of her own herbs and flowers. Sweet Georgia Sugar ain't just about buying products. It's about experiencing the joy of self-care. So, if you're looking to ditch the chemicals and embrace the power of nature, Sweet Georgia Sugar is the place to be. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to step back in time at the weaving mill, a place where history and artistry intertwine in the most colorful and intricate ways. Here, colorful threads are transformed into works of art, each piece telling a story of its own. Forget those mass-produced fabrics that lack soul and character. The weaving mill is all about keeping the tradition of hand weaving alive. We're talking intricate patterns, vibrant colors, and a dedication to craftsmanship that you just can't find in factory-made textiles. Imagine a level of craftsmanship that'll make you want to wrap yourself in hand-woven goodness, feeling the love and effort that went into every single thread. The guardian of this textile treasure trove is Elias, a master weaver whose skills have been honed over decades. With hands that move faster than a squirrel in a pecan orchard, Elias brings each piece to life with a speed and precision that's nothing short of mesmerizing. Elias is a true artist, folks. He sees the potential in every thread, every color combination, every pattern, and he knows exactly how to bring out the best in each one. He doesn't just weave fabric. He weaves stories, traditions, and a whole lot of love into every inch. Each piece is a testament to his dedication and passion for the craft. When you look at one of Elias's creations, you're not just seeing a piece of fabric. You're seeing a narrative, a piece of history, and a work of art all rolled into one. And it's not just about the final product. The process itself is a labor of love, from the careful selection of materials to the meticulous weaving techniques that have been passed down through generations. Elias will show you how he sources his materials, ensuring that each one meets his high standards for quality and sustainability. From the finest cotton, grown right here in Georgia, known for its softness and durability, to the shimmering silk threads imported from far-off lands, each material is chosen with care and consideration. But here's the real beauty of the weaving mill, folks. It's not just about preserving the past, it's about weaving it together with the present and the future. Elias is constantly experimenting, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with traditional techniques and finding new ways to incorporate them into modern designs. He collaborates with local artists, designers, and even tech enthusiasts to create pieces that are both timeless and contemporary. The result is a collection of textiles that honor the past while looking boldly towards the future, blending old-world charm with modern innovation. So, whether you're a textile enthusiast who appreciates the fine details and rich history of hand-woven fabrics, or just looking for a unique piece to add a touch of artisanal beauty to your home, the Weaving Mill is a must-visit. It's a place where tradition meets innovation, where every thread tells a story, and where the past and present are woven together in perfect harmony. Well, folks, there you have it. 5 of Georgia's hidden gems just waiting to be discovered. From handcrafted baskets to custom pottery, from wood turned into art to all-natural skincare, and the timeless tradition of hand weaving, these artisans are keeping the spirit of craftsmanship alive and well. So next time you're in the Peach State, skip the tourist traps and head straight for these hidden gems. And don't forget to tell them Guy Fieri sent you. Now go on, get out of here and start exploring.